But let's go ahead and take a look at what the experiments looked like for each of these different designs we've been talking about. When it came to the experiment, we had to get sort of as creative as we did with the design of this part because we don't have a big fancy Instron machine that we could have used to just pull this thing apart and seen what the actual readouts were when it happened. But what we do have is a big crane scale, gravity, and most importantly, a bobcat because of Kyle. So we can put all those things to work and we can actually do some science here. And I'll try to explain this using this super professional Photoshop diagram. So we're going to use the bobcat and we're going to lift it up. We're going to connect the top of the bobcat to our crane scale. And then the crane scale will be connected to two of the 3D printed hooks. And these hooks are bolted together. So we're actually kind of testing two at once here. And then the bottom hook is connected to some weight underneath it. So when the bobcat is lifted up, it's actually lifting this weight, and the crane scale will let us know exactly how much weight is under it, and it has a peak option that will track the maximum weight it sees. So if this part breaks, we'll know exactly how much weight it was lifting when it broke. Experiment number 1 is our vertically printed hook made out of PLA with 4 roof and floor layers, 2 walls, and 12% infill.
Here we go, starting 20, 30, 40, 50.